We'll guide you through how to fix the time zone cannot be set manually on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so we're getting the error the time zone cannot be set manually. Perhaps you've gone and traveled somewhere, or you're wanting the time zone to be different. We're going to guide you through how to go and fix this problem. Let's just go and guide you through what it currently looks like. So let's come into our settings. We'll go and scroll down and find the option for general, and then scroll down to date and time. And as you can see, there is time zone, and it says the time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions. So what we can do is go and turn these restrictions off. So come out of the time settings and general and come back to the main page. And what you need to do is go and scroll down and find the option for screen time. Then you want to go and scroll down and you need to find the option for change screen time passcode and tap there. What we need to do is go and turn the screen time passcode off for now. So you can go and turn that off, enter in the passcode we now have. Then what you can do is come out of here, and what you need to do is come and scroll up and go and find the option for general again. Then we can scroll down and find the option for date and time. And as you can see, that message is no longer there. We can switch off set automatically, and you can then go and set the time zone as well as the time and date. So we can go and tap that there and search for a time zone you want, and that's it. You go and get the idea.